Composed by the seaside, near Calais, August 1802. Written in 1802 by William Wordsworth. Fair star of evening, splendor of the west, star of my country. On the horizon's brink thou on guest, stooping, as might seem, to sink on England's bosom, yet well pleased to rest, meanwhile, and be to her a glorious crest conspicuous to the nations. Thou, I think, shouldst be my country's emblem, and shouldst wink, bright star, with laughter on her banners, dressed in thy fresh beauty. There, that dusky spot beneath thee, that is England, there she lies. Blessings be on you both. One hope, one lot, one life, one glory. I, with many a fear for my dear country, many heartfelt sighs, among men who do not love her, linger here.